So, hi friends! For the new subscribers, please watch my videos. And I do upload Ipsy every month. And for my friends that subscribed already, thank you so much. Stay connected all the time. Like I said, I post videos almost every month with my Ipsy bag. Thank you. So I got my Ipsy bag November edition. So let's open it. I'm so excited. It's giving me a hard time, this one. It's to be easy. So I got the bag. Here, the bag. It's fall edition again. Oh wait, Thanksgiving. Let's open. Ooh. November edition. It says here, be present. So I'm gonna read it to you. It says here, this month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. Then you focus on little things. You'll find you're rich in reasons to be present. So I'm gonna read this to you again about the Be Present November 2020. So this month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on little things, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful for. So it's almost Thanksgiving, and it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving! Isn't that nice? I love it. Oh, I got Bobby Brown! What's Bobby Brown? Oh, it's the face base. I love anything for my skin. Moisturizer as well. And I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, Bobby Brown. This is Bobby Brown. It's a good product. And it's vitamin enriched face base. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna take a picture. It's primer, hydro. Oh! So what's our next surprise? Let's go check in our bag. And I got one already. It's an overtime blush. And let's open it. Okay, so I got the Complex Culture Overtime Blush. And this is what we have. Yay! Okay, so the third surprise is contacts. It's a lipstick. It's Sweet Emotion. So I opened my lipstick. This is the Contacts lipstick. And here we are. Yay! And the fourth one out of my bag is Sand and Sky. It's a pore fining face mask. Yay! And the last one out of my bag is Honey Jarrett. It's cleanser to clean the skin. Yeah. So this is Honey Jarrett. I told you about this earlier. It's a clean whip cleanser. So Honey Jarrett, it's black tea ferment to soften and brighten, help prevent breakouts, So hi friends, for the new subscribers, please watch my videos. And I do upload Ipsy every month. And for my friends that subscribed already, thank you so much. Stay connected all the time. Like I said, I post videos almost every month with my Ipsy bag. Thank you.